The graph of a circle intersects the x-axis and y-axis at 4 distinct points, one of which lies on the negative x-axis at k, 0. If k is a constant, what is its value? Okay, here we have 4 points on the circle, and one of the points, that is k, 0, contains an unknown constant k. Okay, now let's take these 3 points as input in Desmos. Okay, click on the plus sign, click on table. So the first point is 0, 4, and the second point is 2, 0, and the third point is 0, -4. And let's consider the equation of a circle in standard form, that is x negative h the whole square positive y negative k the whole square equals to r square. Okay, this is the equation of a circle in standard form. It contains 3 unknown constants, h, k, and r. Okay, now to find the values of the unknown constants h, k, and r, I have to take this equation as input in Desmos. Okay, now whenever I want to find an unknown constant in the equation using Desmos, instead of x, I have to take x1. Instead of y, I have to take y1. And for equal sign, I have to use a tilde sign. Okay, now let me take this equation as input. That is x1. Instead of x, I am taking x1, negative h, the whole square, positive, and for y, we have to take y1, negative k, the whole square, then we have to take tilde sign, then r square. Usually, we use this kind of format in Desmos. That is, for x, we take x1, for y, we take y1, and for equal sign, we take tilde sign. We do it to get the values of the unknown constants h, k, and r. Here I got the value of h, that is -3, and k is 0, and r is 5. Okay, now let's take this equation as input in Desmos with the values we have for h, k, and r over here. This time I have to take this x, this y, and equal sign as it is, because now my aim is not to get the values of the unknown constants, and I have to get the graph of this equation. Okay, whenever I want to get a graph of a particular equation, I have to use x, y, and equal sign as it is. Okay, now let me take the equation as input in Desmos. That is x negative. The value of h is -3. Negative times negative will become positive. That is x positive 3. The whole square positive. Then we have y negative k, the value of k is 0. Then y negative 0 is just y. Then we have y square equals to the value of r is 5. Then we can take 5 square. Okay, here I got the graph of the given equation, that is circle. Okay, now let's consider the points over here, here, here. Okay, already we have these points 0, 4, 2, 0, 0, -4 in the given figure. Okay, now let's consider this particular point that we have at the place of k, 0. So at the place of k, we have -8. So here I got the value of k, that is -8. We find -8 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.